Welcome. Today we'll discuss one interesting topic. Our topic is about meaning and reference and how can we clarify this topic. Let's take one example. Our example can be my car, and the meaning of this phrase is not the same as the object of that is my car. The phrase my car does refer to the object that is my car, but the meaning of the word or phrase is still not the same as the referent or the object to which the word refers. Okay, we should remember that meaning is not the same as the reference. They are completely different concepts in the logic and the philosophy of language. In this context, I want to say that the meaning of the phrase my car is not the physical substance of this car. Okay, and here's why. We should explain the reasons for this difference between meaning and reference. If the meaning and the referent were exactly the same, then the word would have no meaning when there is no referent or no object for the word to refer it. We can explain this statement on the following example. For example, we can take the statement that I do not own any car. Okay, and it would be meaningless to say I do not own my car when it is true that I do not own any car, because then there would be no car to refer to. Of course, if we take meaning and reference as identical concepts. However, this sentence, I do not own any car, is not meaningless when I do not own any car, because then it is true. Therefore, it has meaning without the referent, so reference is not the same as meaning. And we can explain this difference from the other perspectives. For example, the difference between reference and meaning can also be shown by the fact that two phrases can have different meanings, even if they refer to the same object. For example, the phrase my car and the phrase the car parked over there might refer to the very same car on one occasion when my car is parked over there. Nonetheless, these phrases do not have the same meaning in general, because one phrase, for example, my car, is about ownership, whereas the other phrase, I mean here, the car parked over there, is about physical location. They describe different aspects of the same object. Moreover, even if both phrases do happen to refer to the same object on this occasion, the phrases do not always refer to the same object. They don't refer to the same object on other occasions, such as when your car is parked over there instead of mine. When cars move, or when I sell my car, these phrases still have the same meaning as before, even though the phrases don't refer to the same objects as before. The point is that the meaning of the phrase does not vary whenever the object varies, so the meaning cannot be identical with the object. We can describe the meaning of a word or sentence by specifying how it is used. This is what Wittgenstein meant by his famous slogan, meaning is use. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have got any questions, you can address them, and I'll be very happy to answer them. Okay, thank you for watching.